So welcome, President Boakai is visiting the site of the construction of the bridge linking the community college, the Grand Bassa Community College, right here in Grand Bassa, along with the Senate Pro Tem and Reverend Rees and the First Lady and other county leaders here in Grand Bassa.
Yeah, move. Guys. Yeah, open this.
Just created that one.
That's a bridge. The bridge is damaged. I'm sure it got damaged some time ago, and this makeshift bridge was constructed to convey students to the college, but construction here is due to begin very soon, as I learned.
Construction works.
There's public works folks there.
For the citizens of Grand Bassa County, was especially the students from the community college. So Senator Buchanan Lawrence is here. The First Lady, Reverend Rees, is also there. The President, they have all come and contracted with us.
Oh, Jonathan, do a video of the beach. Do enough video. So that one.
The president continued his chat with the senator.
Really?
So this bridge.
And so His Excellency just visited the site where construction works for the bridge linking other parts of Grand Bassa, that Buchanan to the college, to the university, I believe, is about to begin, and he has asked that construction will be sped up so as to give students easy access to the school. And I think that's a book.